Hello everyone, my name is Mamta and today we'll do pipe and cisterns. So let's start.
So we can solve the questions based on pipe and cisterns in the same manner as we done the questions on time and work. The only difference is this: in pipe and cisterns, man got replaced with the pipes, and the time taken by men to do a piece of work, that is replaced with the time taken by pipes to fill a tank or either emptying a tank. There are basically two kinds of pipes. First is the inlet pipe that does a positive work, and second is the outlet pipe that does a negative work. So let's start doing questions of pipe and cisterns type by type and one after the another. So the first question is, there are two pipes . If there are two pipes and they fill the tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively, if they both work together, then in how many minutes tank will be filled? So two pipes are there, A and B, which takes 20 and 30 minutes respectively to fill a tank when they work individually. And when they work together, in how many time the tank will be filled? So A takes 20 minutes and B takes 30 minutes. We'll do this question by using LCM method. So the LCM of 20 and 30, that will be equals to 60. So here 60 will be the capacity of the tank, or you can say the volume of the tank. So if A takes 20 minutes to fill 60 liters of water, so in 1 minute it fills only 3 liters of water. Same as pipe B fills 2 liters of water in 1 minute. And when they both work together, you can use the positive sign as they are the fill-up pipes. So in 1 minute, 5 liters of water is filled by using both the pipes. So we need to fill 60 liters of water. So the time taken by A and B, that will be equals to 12 minutes. So in 12 minutes, A and B both fill the tank completely. Let's take another type. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Okay. Let's take another example of the type second. Question remains the same. The only difference is if pipe A fills tank in 20 minutes and pipe B empty the tank in 30 minutes. Here there are two pipes. One is the fill-up pipe and the second is the empty pipe. When they both work together, in how many hours the tank will be filled? So A takes 20 and B takes 30 minutes to empty the tank. Same as LCM of 20 and 30, that is equals to 60. So B fills 3 liters of water in 1 minute, and A takes 1 minute to fill 3 liters of water, and B fills emptying 2 liters of water in 1 minute. So when they both work together, only 1 liter of water is filled in 1 minute. So we need to fill 60 liters of water. If they together work, then they fill only 1 liter of water in 1 minute. So they take 60 minutes to fill the whole tank. So our answer, that will be equals to 60 minutes. This is of the second type. If a pipe fills the tank, then that is with the positive sign, and if a pipe that empty the tank, then that should be written in with the negative sign. There is one more example that is almost to be done in the similar manner. The only difference is, let's take the third type, that is leakage. So if pipe A fills the tank in 20 minutes, and if there is leakage, due to leakage at the bottom of the tank, the same tap or same pipe take 10 minutes more to fill the tank. 10 minutes more to fill the tank. So in how many minutes leakage will drain all the water from the tank? The question is almost similar to the previous one. The only difference is, in the previous question there were two pipes. One is the fill-up pipe and the second is the emptying pipe. And in this question there is only one pipe. The difference is, there is a tank, pipe A fills water, and you can say when there is a leakage, or you can say there is another pipe, outlet pipe, through which the water is drained. And when they both operating, A and B both operating, then A takes 10 minutes more than its previous time to fill the tank. So A takes 20 minutes and A plus B together they take 30 minutes to fill the tank. So same as LCM is 60, 3 liters and 2 liters. So you need to find the value of B, means time taken by leakage to drain all the water from the tank. So -1. It means here negative sign, it shows the water is drained out from the tank. So in 1 minute it drain 1 liter of water. So in 60 minutes it will drain 60 liters of water. So again the answer is same, that is 60 minutes. So question number 2 and 3, they are almost of the same type. I hope this is clear to you. We will do the next type, that is based on the efficiency. In the same question, let A takes 20 minutes and B takes 30 minutes. So you need to find the ratio of their efficiency. What is the ratio of efficiency of pipe A and B? Here remember one thing, efficiency and time taken, these both are inversely proportional to each other. A person or a pipe which is faster, that will take less time as compared to the second one. So A takes 20 minutes to fill a tank and B takes 30 minutes to fill the same tank. Here the capacity of the tank, that is constant. That is constant. So if a pipe which is faster, that will take less time. So efficiency and time taken, these both are inversely proportional to each other. If the time taken, that is in the ratio 20:30, then the ratio of their efficiency, that will be equals to 30:20, or you can say 3:2. This is the ratio of time and this is the ratio of efficiency. So efficiency and time taken, these both are inversely proportional to each other, and efficiency and work done, these both are directly proportional to each other. You'll have to remember this thing, and that is alternate hours. Let's suppose that there are two pipes A and B. Or you can say two taps A and B. A fills the tank in 20 minutes and B fills the tank in 30 minutes. If they work on alternate hours, starting with A. Starting with A, then in how many minutes or hours the tank will be filled. Same as there are 2 pipes, it may possible there may be 3 pipes. What the procedure to do the question, that is same. So pipe A takes 20 minutes and pipe B takes 30 minutes to fill a tank. Now take the LCM. LCM is 60. It means pipe A fills 3 liters of water in the first 1 minute, and then the pipe A is closed, and for the next second minute pipe B is opened and it fills 2 liters of water. They work on alternate minutes. So they fill 5 liters of water in how many minutes? That is 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes they fills 5 liters of water, and we need to fill 60 liters of water. So on the third minute again, A fills the water, that is 3 liters, and on the fourth minute B fills the water, that is 2 liters, up to so on. So see here, in 2 minutes they fill 5 liters of water, and we need to fill 60 liters of water. So in how many minutes they fill the 60 liters? If they fill in 2 minutes, if they fill 5 liters of water, then just to multiply with 12. So it means in 24 minutes they fills 60 liters of water. So our answer, that will be equals to 24 minutes. I hope this question that will be clear to you, and this is an important type in pipe and cisterns.